have 9 Jesse Anderson first edition booster packs, and I just need 3 more cards to finish the entire set. And those cards are Phantom Skyblaster, Ancient City Rainbow Ruins, and Grinder Golem. So let's hope I get something cool.
Okay.
Okay, that's my first pack.
Sure.
Okay, there's Crystal Beast Emerald Turquoise, Cobalt Eagle, Crystal Pear, which I already have, Crystal Beast Ruby Carbuncle, and Crystal Blessing. There's nothing I don't already have there. My second pack. Crystal Beast Cobalt Eagle, Amber Mammoth, Crystal Release, which I also already have, Last Resort, and Crystal Regeki. Going on to the third pack. Okay. Emerald Turquoise, Crystal Eagle, and Crystal Beast Cobalt Eagle. Another Crystal Pear, Magnus Slash Dragon, and Crystal Regeki. Next pack. If I get something. Okay. Gravity Crush Dragon, Crystal Promise. Ooh, there it is. Ancient City Rainbow Ruins.
Yeah.
Finally got it.
Nice.
And Magnus Slash Dragon and Crystal Regeki. I'm so happy I finally got that one. That one is just a regular rare. Next pack. Twister, Gravity Crush Dragon, Crystal Beast Topaz Tiger, which I already have, Crystal Beacon, and Magnus Slash Dragon. Next. Cobalt Eagle, Eagle Crystal Abundance, Crystal Ruby Carbuncle, and Crystal Beacon. Next pack, hopefully in these last 3 packs I'll get the 2 cards I need. Probably won't happen.
No, this is hopes. This is hope that you get though.
Yeah, let's hope. I'm scared, I hope I get it. Okay, Twister, Crystal Beast, Hand Destruction, again, Carbuncle, and Crystal Blessing. Okay, I have 2 more, so let's hope I get the 2 cards I need.
You're gonna get it, I know you are.
Okay, Gravity Crush Dragon, Triggered Summon, another Ancient City.
Okay, well, that's good.
Magnus Slash Dragon. Maybe someone will trade me.
This is good though, at least you can get these.
Yeah. Okay, this is the last one, so hopefully I'll get something. This is Amber Mammoth, Gravity Crush Dragon, Crystal Beast Topaz Tiger,
No.
Crystal Regeki, and Last Resort.
Okay.
So I only got 1 out of the 3 cards that I need. Sucks, huh?